Three causes of acne is sebum, oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. And that leads to inflammation in your skin. And in order to treat this pesky condition, you must include in your skincare routine ingredients which are going to help your skin to minimize dead skin cells, to clean the pores well. So for that, I'm recommending LHA Cleanser, and it contains glycolic acid, 3.5%, salicylic acid, so it's able to clean your skin. And guys, please check your cleansers. Your cleanser cannot be higher in pH than 5. That is very important. And then Blemish and Age Serum, which is a treatment for your acne. Also, it minimizes the oil production in the skin. It exfoliates your skin, and it's also anti-inflammatory. And a pro tip, you can use it as a spot treatment, or you can apply it morning and evening for acne prevention. And then Phyto Corrective Gel, which is antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, very soothing for acne skin. But because it's based on hyaluronic acid, clients with acne love this Phyto Corrective Gel because it's so soothing and hydrating for their skin. And guys, sunscreen must be used with all skin types and skin conditions. This one, it's a mineral base. I do love it because it's super light, it's not clogging. So this will be your last step.